Good morning. Okay, let's do this real quick. So yesterday I did prep a few things ahead. So what we're gonna make is a chorizo soup for lunch, and we're gonna make some chorizo cauliflower for breakfast, okay? 2 in 1. So I took 3 pounds of chorizo yesterday and I browned it, okay? And divided it into 2. And then I also took 3 zucchinis and I chopped them up, okay? And then, so that's gonna be for our soup. And for our, I just dip my finger in the sauce, but anyway. Here I have cauliflower rice, okay? So this is 2 heads of cauliflower. I just simply put them in the food processor to get this yumminess, okay? So I'm gonna put these aside for now. Let me wash my hands. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is take our chorizo that we're gonna use for the soup and put it in the pot. Now, you're gonna notice that when it gets cold, it will kind of keep the fat on the bottom. You want all that, okay? So I'm just gonna scrape it here into my pot. Beautiful. Oh, that goodness. I do not want to sacrifice on flavor or fat on this. Now, I'm also going to take 32-ounce carton of broth and put it in. And I'm going to bring this to a boil, okay? Of course. There we go. Okay, perfect. Okay. So, I'm going to put this aside. Next, we're going to do our cauliflower with chorizo. So, drizzle a little bit of oil and, okay, medium heat. Take the rest of our chorizo. Let's see, let's do this a little bit. There we go. Okay. And do the same thing. I'm going to scrape all the good fat in there too. Okay. Now again, I browned this yesterday, okay? Because again, I wanted to go ahead and have everything ready to go to have nice, fresh cooked meal. Meal prep is just fine, fun. Okay, here we go. Now to this pan, I am going to add 2 cans of El Pato sauce. So 1, 2, okay. I'm not going to add all of my cauliflower rice. Okay, so again, this is 2 heads of cauliflower. I'm just going to add some of this, probably half, to this pan over here. Okay, that is good. All right, I'm gonna leave it like that. So now I have some more cauliflower prepped so I can make something else later today if I wanted to, okay? So again, in this pot here, I've got some brown chorizo with 32 ounces of broth. I'm gonna bring that to a fast boil. So I am going to make a chorizo soup. So let me tell you a story. How I came up with this recipe. I wasn't feeling good. I really wanted some soup, and all I had in my refrigerator was chorizo. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna make a chorizo soup, and it was so good. I thought I have to share this. Okay, perfect. So this is starting to heat up, and basically what I'm looking for is that the fat that I scraped out for my chorizo is melting. So I am going to add my zucchini, and this is 3 small zucchinis, kind of diced up. Pour that in there without splashing. I should be wearing my apron, but okay. There we go. Let's bring that to a boil. And here, let's mix this thoroughly. once this comes to a boil, I'm going to add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And right now, to both of these, I am going to add some onion powder. Just a dash, just enough to give it a little flavor. Okay. And then some cayenne pepper. Now, if you've been watching me for a little while, you know that these are like my staple seasonings. I love to put cayenne pepper on everything. It's an antioxidant, helps with digestion, so they say, so you know what, why not? Same thing with curry. Curry is supposed to be an anti-inflammatory, so that's why it's like, you know what, put a little bit of everything, right? Okay, so there we go. And this is real quick. Again, sometimes prepping food ahead of time does save you time at the end. Because again, now I've got some leftover cauliflower rice that I'll be using for different recipes in the next couple days. So this is coming along. I'm just waiting for it to come to a boil. And this one here, I'm just waiting for it to heat up. Now, the cauliflower rice does cook up pretty fast. I would say within 5-7 minutes, it's done. And again, these are 2 very savory meals. Again, so I've got this for my breakfast, and I've got this to pack up for my lunch, and you're set to go. Again, you know, healthy living, you shouldn't feel like you're sacrificing anything or everything, you know? You should still feel very satisfied, and you should feel healthy, full of energy. Okay. Again, no carbs. Actually, this one has, okay, so the 2 cans of tomato sauce each have 1 gram of sugar. So this is low carb. And here, you got zucchini chorizo bone broth, which has 0 carbs, because I do check my labels on that one, and your heavy whipping cream. So again, all right, so now this is ready. Sugar and cream. And just 1 cup, okay? Because if you wanted to leave out the cream, that's fine. It tastes great as well. But I am going to make this more of a cream soup. So there we go. Okay. Perfect. Okay, so let me bring this over, show you guys if you guys can see that beautifulness. All right, so one thing with this soup is that when it gets cold, it does separate, okay? But don't worry, heat it up, stir it up real good. Top it with feta cheese. Feta cheese totally takes it to a different level, and a little bit of dry basil. This one here, okay, so let me show you guys this. This too is pretty much done, okay? Put it over here. Now with that, top it with some shredded mozzarella cheese. Feta cheese also works. Take 2 medium fried eggs, put it on the side, break the yolk, let it drizzle all over that goodness. Perfect, you know, different ideas. Now, if you are into tortillas, I do have a video with some pork rind tortillas that are low carb. That's an alternative. You can make little tacos with that filling. So again, different ideas, my dears. All right, have a wonderful day. Enjoy.